Menteri Ketenaga Kerap Karyang Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh ila jingkren syakinong patai kubor hadin beradab ya kendu yakinong yalam Jong keseng FKJGP da kaboong bay layok sngow yak jing sngow kia jingmut Jong Ila Kular yaki ba in sakhot jing yalang bat kitanat baper ban ya paliw jingmut halor kimat kibabun. Ikong Lyngdoh ila rai ban pentikna babaro kentup yakin Nongrep bat kinong thiet nongpet kin bakin yo Ïada bat bakam don kanu ke jingkta ka pasniu. Kinong yalam kila kentu ban map no ya ka khajna na ka benta ki kali ki bakit yaki marrep kham tam yaki mar ki bah napo kani ke jilla ya ki balakit syakaleng ki jaka Jong ke jilla.
Currently met colleagues and deputy CMs of transport and of the police department where they wanted a consult on the exemption of vehicles carrying vegetable produce of especially indigenous products from in and around the state. They have met with the two deputy CMs. I will also take guidance. Now that they've met me, and I have been hearing that there is this big gap between sellers, traders, buyers. So we will see, we will figure this out. I am just at the initial stage of calling all stakeholders on board. Let me first get properly briefed. Then I will call them again sometime before the Independence Day.